Today, I'm going to show you how to use snipping tools effectively. First, you're going to search snipping tools in the Windows search bar. And then, to use it, just press New and select the image that you want to snip. For example, this part only. So you can edit it, write something, erase it, or mark. So you can do whatever you want, I guess. And also, there's a different mode. So there's a freeform snip, rectangular snip, which that are we using right now. Third is Windows Snip, and there's a delay. So the delay is it will delay the snipping time. For example, 3 seconds. That's new. So it will not automatically snip. So there you see it. It was delayed 3 seconds, and you can cancel it anytime. And we can use freeform snip. There you go, freeform snip. So it snip like that, and also the Windows snip. So the Windows snip is the whole window is snip, or we'll screenshot it. So yeah, there you go. The whole window will get snipped. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching.